Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for best performance on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riders Republic game on your device and you may play your desired match mode right away. Now, in order to optimize the graphic settings, just pause your game by pressing the start button or the escape button on your keyboard. Then from the pause menu, go into options. And now you have various different settings at the top. Use the left or right bumper to access the graphics menu. And you have the option to benchmark so that the game will automatically recognize the best settings for your device. You can choose to perform the benchmark and then adjust after the benchmark is completed. Alternatively, you can immediately start configuring as well. Make sure to choose the correct resolution and only enable VSync if you notice screen tears within your game. You can set the refresh rate to the exact refresh rate of your monitor. For the pixel scale, set the value at 100 to begin with. If you notice issues, then you can reduce from this value, but make sure never to go up or above 100, as this will only add more strain to your GPU. You can also choose to increase or decrease the field of view, but you will need to keep in mind that the more you increase this, the more strain will be placed on your hardware. So I would advise to leave it where it is. For the FPS limit, you can set it to unlimited or set it to the exact value of your monitor's refresh rate. Then you have the various different graphics quality presets. You may use the overall quality, which has 4 different presets, ranging from low, medium, high, and ultra. As you can notice, the low preset will require the least VRAM, as shown at the right side. When you go to medium, the usage will increase as well, and it keeps on increasing with the higher presets that you select. You can try to use the ultra preset at first, which will set all of the values to the maximum. After this, just go back to your game by applying your changes. And now continue to play your match and see how it feels. If you don't find a smooth performance on your game, then you may once again go back to the same menu. And from the graphic options, you can try reducing the shadow quality, the grass quality, the reflections, and the anti-aliasing options. The texture quality can also be reduced, as there is not much difference moving from high to ultra. Just try various different presets until you find an optimized balance of performance and quality within your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Riders Republic game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.